Okay, here is the old outlet. We are going to take this one out, and we have a new child protected safety GFCI Smart Lock Pro. We're going to replace this outlet with this new one. There we go. This has the test and reset feature. This will stop any water from getting into the outlet and causing electrical shocks. And it also has the child safety tamper-proof thing. This way little kids can't stick little screwdrivers or forks or paper clips and get shocked. You can see this. You can see the little protection mark right there. First we need to do is remove the old existing outlet. It looks all painted and beat up. This is very common for people. Very common problem, and is easily fixed by replacing them. Unscrew it here, unscrew it here, and it will come out of the wall. There you go. You can see it's 2 wires on here. The first wire I'm going to take off is the ground. We don't need it, so we're going to take it completely off. And hopefully, I haven't checked this out, but hopefully we do not lose power. The second wire here I'm going to take off is the hot. And you can take a look real close here. This one is not even secured properly. You can see the ground wires or the hot wires falling off. We take the hot off first, so we don't have a neutral problem. But when we take this off, we're going to lose the light in here. And that happens. You see the lights went off. We have temporary lights now. That's the hot. And take the other hot off. There we go. There we go. 2 hots off. Then we take the neutrals off. Just unscrew them. Get rid of this old beat up outlet. That's the neutral wire. This feeds in and out to the bathroom lights. Now we're going to add a jumper cable in here and take some wire here. First we're going to jump the neutrals out. And we pigtail them. This is what's called a pigtail. You gotta be careful because this is live electric. There we go. Put the 2 neutrals together with a jumper. Always want to connect your neutrals first. There we go. Twist them together, snip it off, make sure it's nice and tight. Put a wire nut on here. That is 1 jumper. That's a wire nut, nice and tight. Always make sure this stuff's twisted in real good. Push that in the back of the box. Now we're going to do the hots. Put these 2 together with a hot wire jumper. There we go. You can see when they touch, the lights come back on. It's nice and tight. There we go. We have 2 jumpers here. good and tight there. Put the wire nut connector on there. And we'll get ready to install the new GFCI. Here goes the GFCI. We're going to put it on the line side. That's only protect this one point. If we want to protect things downstream, we take this tape off, and that would be the load side, and it would protect things downstream. Here's our hot and neutral. Neutral goes on to the silver side. Goes on here. Tighten it up. Get that nice and tight. Neutral goes on first. Second, we install the hot. Goes in the quick connect in the back, and you tighten it in. There we go. Push this back into the box. Finally, we have a ground connection to install here. Let's see here. This has a ground lock, so you gotta take the hook off. It slides in, and there's a clamp that tightens this up on this GFCI. Sometimes you gotta wrap it around the ground wire. There. Now that's the ground for this unit. That gets tightened up. Now, this GFCI has, it's written so you can put it grounds down and grounds up. I actually like to have the grounds down. I find it more pleasing, but there is no correct way, and the GFCI is written so it can be read either way. And it just goes on there like that. Get in there. Just gotta finish it with a cover plate after this. Quickly test the test button here. See the green light says it works. Test light says it's off. Boom, that's good. Make sure it's nice and tight to the wall. That's good. Always test your stuff as you do it. It has 120 bolts. Perfect. All we need now is the cover plate. And that goes on just like this. There we go. Now we have electrical safety by the sink. Hi, it's Bill again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. For more information, go to generation3electric.com.